Let's try to fire this thing up. Cold start with dead batteries. That's what I got inside. I tear everything apart because I got a new interior. I'm gonna make the insulation with the kill mat everywhere inside. I'm gonna remove all this yellow foam or sponge. I already took the lights off and horns. It's only not even 12 volts. I'm 100% sure it's not gonna fire it up. We'll see. It was too cold. The batteries are dead. I don't think it's gonna even crank. Nope. It won't start. I gotta charge the batteries. But I'm here to finally repump the old fuel from this tank to this tank, because this one is empty right now because the valve on the bottom is missing. Right here. I'm gonna put a new valve and I'm gonna pump the old fuel to this tank and put a fresh fuel in the other tank. I want to check if it's gonna run a little bit better. I'll try to crawl somehow over there in this mud and put the valve on the tank. I'm gonna do the valve right now. A little bit Teflon tape. It's temporary valve, just to hold the fuel for now. I think the hole is too little for fuel. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna use this anyway. It's just for now. Got a different one right here. Let me see. Just this is one. got the fuel transfer pump right here. I'm gonna connect it and pump the fuel. Transfer pump hooked up, in and out, and no power. Okay, we have power now. And it's pumping. I got a pump set up here right now. I'm gonna pump the fresh fuel to a 5-gallon container. Put it over there, this tank. I'm charging the batteries with my little car and pumping the fuel. Hump a little bit, but look at the fuel color difference. This one is almost clear. The old one was very yellow. I think the old cab over should run better on this one. I'm gonna put 10 gallons. There was only a little bit left of the old fuel in the tank, so it's gonna mix with the new. I don't think it's gonna cause any problem. Now it's showing 13 volts. hours later, it's not smoking anymore. But we'll see now. Oh yeah. Whoa. But I think runs smoother and a little bit more quiet. I mean quiet, I can hear the valves that much.